Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gretchen. In today's video, I am sharing with you guys my living room Christmas decorations. So this does not involve the Christmas tree because we went ahead and did that as a family and I didn't record it. I didn't do anything super fancy to the tree. But this is just the living room decor, and I kept it quite simple, but I think that it still looks very elegant and very festive. So I'm excited to be sharing that with you guys today. Let's go ahead and jump right in.
Filled with love and joy, so beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents as long as I spend this day with you.
So this is my favorite spot to decorate in the living room just because I don't have side tables for the couch, and so there's not a lot of surface space to put things on, and I love decorating this spot. I just try to make sure that I don't over clutter it with too much decor because it is also where the TV is right above, and I don't like for it to look too cluttered. So I tried to make sure that I did something that was still festive but a little bit simple, and I end up loving how this space turns out. I actually ended up DIYing a few things that you'll see here, and I am not a big DIY person. I love the thought of DIYing things. It's just the time that it takes sometimes to get things done. And I really wanted for this space to have certain things that I just was not up to spending a lot of money on. And so you're going to see these little present stocking holders that I'm placing here. I made those and I am so proud of myself because they turned out so nice. And I used the majority of the stuff that I used there was from the Dollar Tree. I used the boxes from the Dollar Tree and I painted them with chalk paint. And then with some spray paint, I went ahead and spray painted the wreath holders that are from the Dollar Tree, and my husband cut them so that I could attach them to the boxes. The ribbon is from the Dollar Tree. And I weighted the inside of the boxes with some river rocks that I also got from the Dollar Tree. So I think this DIY turned out really nice. I actually saw this on another YouTube channel, and her channel is the Latina Next Door, and she does a lot of DIYs for the Dollar Tree. And so I ended up DIYing those stocking holders, and also the little tree that you'll see there was from the Dollar Tree, and I DIY'd that also. I got both of those ideas from the Latina Next Door, so I'll go ahead and I'll link those videos in the description box below so you can check those out. I love her channel, and she inspired me to DIY my own Christmas decor this year, so I'm really thrilled with how it turned out. I just feel like it adds a little bit of an extra something to that area.
I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true.
I love how my little DIY tree from the Dollar Tree turned out, and that was just adding some extra branches to it and then brushing the tips with some chalk paint. So I think it turned out really pretty, and this whole space here just turned out looking nice. I had to take the other stockings down. They were just too long and they were hitting the floor. So then I went ahead and moved on into getting the couch ready with the throw pillows I had bought, and I found a few throw pillows this year from Ross, and I thought they were just perfect, so I did end up buying a few. And the red glittery ones, the red sequins looking ones, those are covers that I got from Amazon, and so I just covered some pillows that I did have What I like about the Christmas pillows, the white ones that I bought, is that you can unzip and change the pillows out, so I don't have to store the pillows. I can just take the covers out and I can use the pillows all year round. So I love how those pillows look. They're just so pretty and so elegant, and I couldn't believe that I found them at Ross. And I got each one of those white ones for $10, and the covers were on Amazon for $15 for two. So I thought that was a really, really nice addition to the couch this year.
Snow. Oh, whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. I live the dream I knew. This Christmas I only...
So this space was a little bit difficult to record. You can see it is a little bit dark, but this is the window behind the couch, and I added some garland to it, and then I also added with some fishing line so you can see where the ornaments were hanging from. But I added some big ornaments and then a snowflake to the middle, and I really like how this turned out.
But when there's love, there's always a way. And oh, this time of year, we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday.
I love how all of the Christmas decorations turned out in the living room, and I know it was simple, but I think it's just perfect, especially since you can see the kitchen from our living room, so everything kind of just ties in together really, so everything feels really festive, and I'm really enjoying it, and I cannot wait to share with you guys my Christmas home tour, hopefully soon. So if you're not subscribed, consider hitting that red subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you are notified when I upload my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Take care guys. Merry Christmas.